Hey, the people of YouTube. Um, Another special weather. It's supposed to be spring, birds are chirping. Everything else is all good. But we have a spring snow storm here. Snowing. As I said, birds chirping and everything else is all good. And snow is melting. But now we have more snow, more fresh snow, more powder. And cold. But yeah. Snowing, it's snowing. Well, anyways, I know that this has been a little bit of a short, raw vlog, but as soon as I get some special equipment, lighting and stuff like that, I'll be more equipped. But these are just small videos for now for you guys to watch. And I might update you on the snow. If I go outside, I might record, and this might be another second part coming. So just stay tuned. Sorry that this has been a 2-part video. Alrighty, catch you later.